Hey everyone, it's Christmas Eve. I'm making some cupcakes. They're gonna be like the cake I made for my birthday. So it's a sweet potato spice cake. I'm gonna be using the Duncan Hines Spice Cake mix. There it is there. Instead of a cup of water, use a cup of milk. This is 2% milk because that's what we use. I'm gonna have 4 eggs. 2 tablespoons of my vanilla, always have that. About 2 cups of sweet potato pie batter. I've already baked our sweet potato pies. And half a cup of oil. Oven is preheated to 350, so let's start putting everything in here. We'll mix it and we'll pour it in the cupcakes. Containers, not containers, liners, that's what they are. Save that for the eggshells. Go ahead and add the oil now. Get all that out of there. Now this batter will be runny when you bake it. It was runny the first time I made it and I was a little worried, but it was the best cake. I mean, I like my lemon cake. I like my red velvet cake that I make. I like them all. But this sweet potato spice cake can't be beat. Let's go and add the milk. Let's put the eggs in there and crack them on the counter. Less chance of getting eggshells in your batter. Now the eggs and the sweet potato batter and the milk have been sitting out to get to room temperature. If you have your ingredients at room temperature, they'll mix together quicker, easier, and you get a more even batter. And then your finished product will be better. It's nice to crack the eggs on the counter, but then you get that little bit of residue that I like to wipe down. 2 more things. The vanilla, shake it up before you use it. As it sits on the shelf, it'll break apart, come apart. You want to combine it again. Did you know that vanilla is liquor in a vanilla bean? I did not know that. I saw somebody make some homemade vanilla. I said, wait a minute, liquor? And it just depends on what kind of liquor you want to use. But I didn't know that till I saw them make that homemade vanilla. Now we're going to add the sweet potato pie batter. If I can get it to come in there. And this is the sweet potato pie batter that I made up, around my birthday, because I made that cake for my birthday. And I just froze it. I took it out. Today is Monday. I took it out Saturday, I think, and it thawed out. Now it had been in the freezer all this time and it never really got fully like concrete hard like a brick. It was still a little soft, but it did need time to thaw in the freezer, not the freezer, refrigerator. And yes, you can make your batter ahead of time and freeze it. You can even make the pies and either bake them or no bake them and then freeze them ahead of time. I've not done that, but I've seen people on YouTube who've done it and they say it turns out well. So, and now we just mix it. And then we're going to pour it into our cupcake liners and bake. Let me put this here over the KA in case the flour flies around. You use a tea towel and it'll keep it from flying around everywhere. I do have it plugged in. I mixed it on medium for 2 minutes. That's what the box mix instructions say to do. Medium on my KA, I had it at about 3. Now I did not stop it halfway to mix down the or to incorporate the sides, but I'm gonna do that before I pour it into the cupcake liners. Unplug the K before you start taking anything apart. Safety first. Oh, come on now. Give me a Christmas miracle. It come off easy. Oh, why? I love my Ks, but I hate trying to take these paddle attachments off, or any of the attachments. I struggle with it sometimes. Like I'm struggling now. Again, another reason why I unplug it before I take it apart. And you can see how it's running. Sometimes you'll get a batter that's really thick. And sometimes you get one that's in between. And then sometimes you get one that's runny like this. And I will admit, when I made this it was a bundt cake when I made it the very first time, 2 months ago, I was worried. I was like, I don't know. I'm telling you, it's the best cake ever. Let me get my cupcake tins. And you know what else I need? I'm gonna use my scoop. I'm using my ice cream scoop / cookie scoop / cupcake muffin scoop to help me scoop the batter into the cupcake liners. Should have kept that towel. Oh well. You don't want to fill the cupcake liners more than 3/4 full, because then it'll overflow and it'll be a hot mess. So initially I'm going to go around and put 2 scoops in each cupcake liner, and then I'll come back and fill accordingly if I need to. I prepped, these are jumbo cupcakes that I'm making, and I prepped 3 of my jumbo cupcake pans with the liners. I don't think I'm going to end up with 18. There's 6 in each jumbo cupcake pan. I don't think I'm going to end up with that many cupcakes, but just in case, better safe than sorry. Because if I don't use the liners, I'll just put them back up, put them back in the cupboard for next time. Yeah, I'm not going to have 18 jumbo cupcakes. I'll be good if I get 12, because I'm scraping the bottom of the bowl already to get batter out. Which is a good thing, I guess. I'm a former fat kid and I like my sweets. That's why I was like, I guess. Okay. Last time I made these, I had 2 cupcakes left over from the cake mix and they baked for 30 minutes. So at 350, I'm going to put these on my cookie sheet. Let me get that. And I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes. I can save this for later. Whenever I bake on the cookie sheet, because there's nothing like having an overflow. And it overflows in the bottom of your stove, your oven rather. It's ugly. Anyway, family, I'll be back when these are done. These cook for exactly 30 minutes. A handy dandy cake tester. And it's coming out clean. Can you see that? It's kind of dark, I don't know, but anyway. They're coming out clean. So I'm gonna move them over off the hot stove. Need to turn the oven off, hot oven. And let them cool. We have muffins.